What's up guys, it's your boy King Gaming back out here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be hunting a kulu-ya-ku, or as I like to call it, a bird up in Monster Hunter Rise. I like to call it a bird up because of Terminal Montage. She's an animator and he did some Monster Hunter animations, and it's just a meme. It's one of my he's one of my favorite YouTubers, so I'll link him in the description, but let's see what we can do. Just a warning, this game is rated T for teen. There's a little bit of like red if you're not comfortable with that. And so, this is the kulu-ya-ku.
Don't forget to eat.
Let's go over and eat one of these little dango things. I'm still pretty new to this game, and so... Oh, jeez. Stop. Okay, no. That one looks good. That one looks good. And I like this one. Order, and skip the cutscene, skip the cutscene. There we go.
That'll do.
Alright, now let's go. Like I said, I'm still pretty new to this game, and so if I do things that any of you Monster Hunter veterans do, I'm sorry if I mess up, but it's fun. I would definitely recommend this game. It's very fun. Domain of Dust and Desolation. Sandy plains.
A lifeless stretch of land. Nothing but dust and sand. Barren and forlorn. Lifeless and storm-torn.
Well, okay, Dr. Seuss.
In the shadows, monsters thresh. Mad with lust for blood and flesh.
Alright.
A moment of peace, soon to be disturbed.
Hold up. It's going for them eggs.
A threat approaches, its hunger uncurbed.
It's going for them eggs.
It rakes up its lunch, chows down without grace. But inside this nest, for thieves there's no place.
Oh man, my man got hops.
It needs to escape, or get egg on its face.
Omnivore, Alright. My dog is named Inu and my cat is named Neko, since that's what dog and cat are in Japanese, and I just liked how that sounded. Your dog has hops. Okay. What are we looking for? Those question marks on the map down there are where the monsters will be.
I'll just take this.
Get you. I also like these wire bug things because you're like Spider-Man. Alright, come on, doggo. Let's get going. Hops. Loop around the edge. Ooh, let's get our potion up first. I'll get Mega Potion. Okay, who do we have first? Oh, what are you?
Prepare yourself.
I'm gonna pass. Oh, jeez. Scared me. Go, 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 go. I'm passing. What is that thing? That thing is terrifying. Ah, here we go. I think this is where we should find our quarry. Hops. There he is. Leroy! Hey, 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 X, X, X.
Reliable as always. Be careful!
X, X, X. Hey, ooh. Doing a bit of damage. I see you. I see you, kulu-ya-ku. Like I said, I'm not the best at this game. Alright. Hey, hey. Oh, jeez.
He's up to something!
There we go. A, X, X. Jeez. Music is pretty good. Why is he holding an egg? I mean a rock. Oh jeez. My sharpness. Oh jeez, my health. Alright, let's get you.
Might as well put this to use.
Hey. Oh, I did carve Oh, hello. Well, the whetstone. Please don't attack me. Oh, jeez.
Careful now! It's fleeing!
Alright. Come on, boy. Oh, wait.
Go!
Forget the egg. We have our quarry. Go, 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 go. Coming for you, boy. Coming for that. Coming for that egg of yours. Wait, watch this. Let's do something cool. Leroy Jenkins. Nice, nice. Why does it keep grabbing stuff? X, X, A, then stab. For a 3-star quest, this guy is not very hard to beat. Oh, big boy damage.
You're not
Did
getting
that
away!
break apart? I thought it said it broke apart. Alright. Inu, get over here. Going the wrong way. These maps are pretty cool. Alright. Come over here, boy.
Go!
And let's get going. We're coming for you. Get over here. That's a stink mink. Where is he? Oh, what's up, homie? Axe. Hey, axe. Ah. Really bad at these. There we go. And I missed. What does that one do? X. Hey. X. He's getting weak. Oh, jeez. Gotta wiggle the stick.
Incoming!
Oh, jeez. X, A. Alright, let's shoot this bad boy for now. Oh, goodness. Would you stop?
Move! Sharp edge, sharp hunter!
Gotta sharpen that bad boy real quick. Oh, jeez. Get over here. Hey. Ah! Another one of these. Maybe all dogs could use knives. Let's get this healing. Oh, jeez, where'd you? X, and should be pretty close. This thing is hops. Man. Wiggle the stick. Wiggle the stick. Oh my goodness. Get over here.
It's up to something!
X. Hey. X. Hey. No, stop. X. Hey. Ah, I almost got the big explosion on her. There we go. Bird up, more like bird down. Let's go.
Gonna need some of this.
Now we need your insides. Let's go. Mission complete.
I'll just take this.
Might as well grab you.
This looks useful.
Grab you as well. I really love the movement in this game. It's very fun to just kind of swing around. Oh, also, I'll use switch axe mains. I love you, because I'm really loving the switch axe. Comment below which weapon you like the most. Hey, there's my bug. Got some good loot. let's go. Gotta take all of that. Up to 10,000 coins. Well, if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let me know if you want more Monster Hunter, because I'm really enjoying it, and I'd love to do more content on it. That's all from me. See y'all in the next one.